Okay, I think that's almost all before we can run the model. And let's check the grid properties. Here we already input one new well. It's still in green color because the well is still inactive. If we move the time slider, yeah, later the well will be, will be turned to red because well 9 is a producer. And the last time step is 1st January 2015. And by the way, if we go to graphs, wells, and then well 2, we can show the historical rate. I think well 2 is in injector. Is it? Yes. So let's say well 3. So the new data that we input is this one. So 150 for the oil flow rate. You see? And let's check on this. So wcon hist, Control F, wcon hist for September 2014. Well 3 is 150, right? 150 here. And yeah, I think let's change to well 6. In October, it's 37.78. So let's see. Wcon hist in October, for example, well 6. Okay, so wait a minute. So the data October 2014, 36.91. So it will be imputed for the next month. Okay, so let's be careful here. I think there's an error. So this data is for October. So basically when we input here, let's go back to additional option, load well data, history. We actually need to use this one, apply historical data to previous step. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, so this one, history for months, and then skip line 1. This one, let's see if we use apply historical data to previous step. What's going to happen? And then this 150 bars and water injectors, and it's 450. Okay, let's say click on OK. Yes, reload again. Okay, now so we already correct the error, but let's be careful here. I'm going to show you the history file first. This one. Okay, and let's check. Currently, we are looking at well 6. At September, it's 37.78. At October, 36.91. At November, it's 36.05. And at December is 35.242. But don't forget, we put the last time step to be 1st January 2015, and we actually do not have the data. So tNavigator will use the previous rate to be used in the last time step. Okay, so please be mindful whether you will use apply data to previous step or not. Okay. So yeah, you can also check for the well 8. Basically, it will be the same. Okay, 134.0.038 for December, and for November is 135.103 here. And the last rate from December 2014 will be used for January 1st, 2015. And we can also compare it to files, and then here for October, well 8 is 135.103. Oh, not this one, I think. So is this one? One October, well 8, yeah, this one. October 2014, 136.246. For 1 October, well 8, the liquid rate 136.246. Okay, let me check. By the way, when we input that for the control mode, this is the liquid rate and this is the oil flow rate. Okay, so that's okay. And yeah, let's say we click on well. We are currently showing the historical data, the dashed line. We can also open this oil rate, click on OK, click on oil rate, and it will be like this. Okay,